main cable.
We're getting a green light to deploy.
Watch the module.
Target coordinates are locked in.
Depths are extreme.
Control to topside, confirm green light on the umbilical. Confirm, control, green light steady. Surface check complete, you are clear to the water. Roger that, surface. Proceeding to the ladder.
Stand by for lift. We have tension on the cable. Clear the deck now.
Diver entering the water. Confirming systems.
Approaching designated search grid. Visibility is poor.
Contact. Metallic signature. Buried deep.
Copy that. Deep, نحن ready for recovery. Confirmation on the dimensions. It looks intact.
This is incredible. The seals are intact.
Copy that. Proceed with caution.
Confirmed, Kilo 1.
Status on the seal?
Pressure levels are stable. Advise caution on retrieval.
Surface, this is lead diver. I am checking the forward starboard attachment point. Looks solid. Proceeding to the next one.
Recovery line 1 secured to the forward hardpoint. Preparing for tension check.
Shackle secured. Testing load path.
Check the pin on the forward shackle, diver. Pin is locked and wired, standing by for tension. Surface, this is lead diver. Slings are secure. We are ready for tensioning. Stand by for ascent. All lines secured. Ready for lift. Surface. Control room, we have positive tension, 40,000 pounds and rising.
Watch the stern line. Keep that spooling steady.
Surface, this is lead diver. We have visual confirmation of the logo. Ascent is stable.
Steady ascent. Maintaining tension.
Slow the ascent rate. We've got a snag on the starboard side. Diver, confirm visual.
Affirmative. Supervisor, adjusting now.
Surface, this is lead diver. We are passing 200 meters. Descent steady. Pressure holding.
Halfway point.
Visual, keep the tension on the main line.
Roger that. She's almost clear of the water. Slow the hoist.
Easy, E! Bring it over the deck!
We are clear on the port side. Easy now, easy. And set. Secure the locks immediately.
Good to have you back, man. Everything's secure. Take the tension slowly. Copy that. Tension coming up. Watch the starboard side swing.
It's definitely a Ferrari container. What could be inside?
Watch the line, watch the line. We almost got it. Start with the spreader on the top lock.
Understood. I have the pry bar ready.
All right, let's move carefully.
Hold stead! Hold stead! Careful with that cut!
Look at the glow. What do you think it is? I don't know. I've never seen anything like it.
We found it!
Unbelievable. Look at that yellow. It's unreal. How on earth did this end up out here?
I can't believe we actually found it. A Ferrari down there for 50 years. Looks almost new.
I can't believe it. It's an actual Ferrari badge.
Look how clean it is compared to the rust. We have to be careful with this.
I can't believe we actually found it.
And in one piece. Look at that shine.
Madre mia, it's beautiful.
Is it real?
Look at that shine, unbelievable.
We actually got it up in one piece.
Best recovery job we've done yet. Who would have believed it? That's the last one secured. We did it, boys.
Against the vastness of the open ocean, the vibrant yellow serves as a stark reminder of human ingenuity.
Read it. Appropriate this one.
You're kidding me. That's impossible. I have to show the others.
A most improbable salvage, indeed.
$22 meters, 400 millimeters. Check the rear seal.
Confirmed. Logging the data now. The seal looks intact.
Got the macro shots?
It's remarkably intact.
Es ist so weit zu dir.
Unbelievable.
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 secure the rear brace padding immediately. The ratchet strap is taut, ready for inspection.
Confirming tension on the front left mount.
It looks like it was driven yesterday.
The successful recovery marked a significant triumph for the deep-sea crew.
I can't believe we actually got it here.
Look at that shine!
Job well done, Captain.
Another successful delivery.
That is one expensive piece of cargo. We need to be extra careful with this one.
Roger that, Foreman. Securing the chains now.
We found it.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.